It is not surprising anymore that we get gaming phones from brands these days. In 2020, we have already got phones like the Red Magic 5G and the Black Shark 3 Pro, which are made for gamers. Now, Lenovo is all set to launch its gaming phone, and the company is launching it under the Legion gaming brand. Legion, in case you don't know, is a gaming-centric brand from Lenovo, and we get things like the gaming desktops, laptops, gaming accessories, etc. under this brand. Now, we are getting the Legion gaming phone. We got to know about this gaming phone back in December last year when a new Vivo account was made with the name Legion Gaming Phone. Later, Lenovo posted some teasers that revealed a few features of the phone like a full screen design, Snapdragon 865 SoC and 90-watt fast charging. Now the design and the specifications of this Legion gaming phone have leaked, as some video teasers were shared by a source with XDA Developers. The Legion gaming phone has a full screen design, which means there is no notch or punch hole on the front for the selfie camera. There is a pop-up selfie camera, but instead of placing it on the top like all the other smartphones, the pop-up camera on this phone is on the right side, which is definitely an unusual placement. If you look at it from a gamer's perspective, then this placement of the front camera makes sense. Let us suppose someone wants to live stream on Twitch or YouTube with face cam while playing games in landscape. Since the camera is on the side, it would be a perfect position while playing games in landscape and doing face cam. So there is no need to use an extra camera just to do face cam while playing games and streaming. Not only the front camera, but the rear camera is also placed pretty unusually. The dual cameras are placed considerably lower on the body of the phone than they are on any other smartphone. The main reason for this could be that Lenovo wanted to have a symmetrical design on the back. There is a huge Legion logo on the back, and since it is a gaming phone, we are pretty sure that it glows. The Legion gaming phone has two USB Type-C ports, one on the bottom and the other on the left side. So users can charge the phone while playing games and they won't have to worry about the cable getting in their way. Now these images don't show a headphone jack, so it is doubtful if there is a headphone jack on this phone. Coming to the leaked specifications now, the Legion gaming phone has an OLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate and 270Hz touch sampling rate. So the display on this phone is like a combination of the displays on Red Magic 5G and the Black Shark 3 Pro, because while the Red Magic 5G has a 144Hz screen, the Black Shark 3 Pro has a display with 270Hz touch sampling rate. The Legion gaming phone has the Snapdragon 865 SoC, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. There is a 5000 mAh dual cell battery and an impressive 90-watt fast charging support. Lenovo says that it can charge this battery fully in just 30 minutes, so that's insane. The dual cameras on the rear include a primary 64MP camera and a secondary 16MP ultra-wide camera. There is a 20MP camera in that side pop-up mechanism. Well, there is no doubt that the Legion gaming phone has an impressive spec sheet and a unique design, but in the end, it will all come down to the pricing, because there are already phones like Red Magic 5G and Black Shark 3 Pro in the market, priced very aggressively for the specs they offer. Anyways, are you looking forward to the Legion gaming phone after knowing all these details? Do let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.